So good morning children. So today class 3 SST. So we have already completed second lesson also. Today just remaining exercises. From today onwards we will start. Okay. So exercise A, page number 14 and 15 if you see. Okay. Pick the correct answers. Only which is correct only we will write. Okay. We will tick in the book. After that we will write in the copy. Okay. See, when people shift to places having a cold climate, they prefer to wear more of woolen clothes. So dear children, for example, from here to if you go another places, very too much cold, extreme cold. So people prefer to wear woolen clothes. So first answer is, first one we will write woolen. Okay. Woolen. Okay. So you take it woolen. Okay. Second one. Now you see, gas stoves, microwaves and induction stoves have replaced instead of mud stoves. Okay. Mud stoves, fridges in our kitchen. So which one? So this one, second one also, one more second. Gas stoves, microwaves and induction stoves have replaced. So instead of this one, microwaves, gas stoves, induction cookers, they have removed this one, mud stoves. And instead of mud stoves, so this came, gas stoves, microwaves, this induction cookers all came. So second one is mud stoves. Second one is mud stoves. Third one, if you see, so earlier before olden days, most families were nuclear families or joint families. So nuclear joint families, but now we see more of us nuclear and joint families. So earlier they have given here confusion. So earlier time joint families and now and nuclear families. You both, first of all you think your joint, third one joint. And so earlier times more joint families. Okay, now joint families has gone. Now becoming more and more nuclear families. So nuclear family in the sense only father, mother, their child. So that things. Okay. So joint and nuclear families. Now you see number 4. Our parent lifestyle is exactly same, different as compared to the lifestyle of the past generation. So dear children, if you ask your parents, they will tell past tense. Okay. So comparing to the past tense, olden days and present days. Olden days and present days, if you compare, so lot of different is there, very different is there. So here this answer is very different as compared to the lifestyle of the past generation. So very different. Okay, number 4, very different. Very different. Very different. Now you see, many creatures have come up to take care of the old people or young children. We have discussed in the children. So young children. So creatures meaning workers, helpers, maid. Okay. Many creatures have come up to take care of the young children. Young children. So these are. So dear children, this is exercise. Please, if you see the book only. So dear children, so I have written only answers. Answers only I have written. So please you must write full whatever exercises is there. Each line you have to write. You should not write. You should not leave single letter also. Okay. So whatever is written in the exercise A, completely when people shift to places having cold climate, they prefer to wear more of woolen or cotton clothes. So like this, you have to write complete sentences. Okay, you tick it these things in the copy in your book. After that, completely you write in your copy. Okay. So now exercise B. B you see. B exercise B. We may adapt to wear clothes that most people wear in the place we shift to. Yeah, it is true. Okay, it is true. Number one is a true. T-R-U-E, true. Okay. Changes in our surroundings do not bring about changes in our lifestyle. It is false. Okay. So if you go from one place to another places, we are learning so many things. Okay, what we don't know here. So if you go to another country and we are learning their customs, their food habits, their atmosphere. Okay, it is very good. We are learning so much things from if we live from this country to another country. If you go, we will learn different types of things. So they have given here. So we don't learn. So they are giving it is a false. So we have to write second one is false. Number 2. When we shift to a new house, we need not adapt to its new setting. No, it is false. For example, if you want it, for example, from this house to another house, if you are going, so you can set there. Whatever you like, you can set it. Either you want to make a different almaras to kitchen. So whatever you like, you can alternate it house, no problem. So that is up to you. You can make it. You can make it color. Whatever you like, you can do it there in the house. Okay. So it is a, they have given here. No, it is a false. False. Number. In earlier matlab old times, people built simple houses with a lot of green space in around them. Yes, it is true. So people in green, only small houses and little big places they used to make a houses. So there earlier people built simple houses with a lot of green space. It is true. It is true. Okay, number 5. When people shift to a new place, that means from this place to a new place. Okay, they may also retain some of their traditions. Yeah, some of their. For example, from India to if you go America, we are learning their traditions there also. So we are becoming NRI. Okay, so it is a true. Okay, this is fifth one is true. Okay, so this is what the dear children. So first one is true, second one is false, third one is false, fourth one is true, fifth one also true. So this is exercise B. So very clearly I have written. So exercises A and B, page number 14, 15. Okay, exercises A this one, or exercise B this one. Okay, completely please write in your book and copy. Okay, no more missing anything. Thank you so much.